What's up, guys? Refreshing some old parts. So these are going to be going back onto the car because I can't find new suspension parts or aftermarket stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean these up and I'm going to refinish them. Make them all black, make them all like a satin black, nice black. Kind of refresh that system, which is good. So I'm a little disappointed that I can't find aftermarket parts. But it is what it is. If you guys know of any aftermarket parts that might be for any of these suspension parts, let me know. I am going to get a new bushing kit for everything, redo all the bushings. So I know that's going to be a big help. I'm not sure what else there is. Maybe I can get a couple control arms, but there's really not much out there. If y'all know any places to where I can get some new parts, or I know the knuckles are discontinued, but any of the control arms, maybe any of the wishbones, anything like that, you know, let me know. Leave them in the comments. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I only did a couple parts for right now, but it looks way better than what it did. They were all brown and nasty, rusted. Came out good. If you guys want to know what I used, it's this Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel. So far I'm doing everything black. I'm doing with this paint. It dries quick, it bonds to metal very, very good, and it's very tough in the long run. So that's what I'm going to use for all of my black parts. Let me know what you guys think about some of the aftermarket parts. If you can find any, let me know. Upper control arms, lower control arms, anything adjustable. I'm looking for anything aftermarket. I can buy all factory stuff except the knuckles, most of the control arms and everything like that, online from like 1A. But if I can restore what I have, I'm fine with it. Nothing's broken, so I'm not worried about that. But if it's aftermarket, you know, let me know, because I'd be happy to take a look at it and maybe order something, see if I want it for my build or not. But if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. You know, I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get this channel built up, and I kind of want to get out there and bring this type of community back together where you actually do real builds, you know, and bring that early 2000s mentality back to the car world, because we just don't have that anymore. And to me, this is how you do a build. So let me know what y'all think.